Hi, my name is Victor Lepim, and in this video, I will show you how my municipal services application works. First, we will start by running the application. Right, this is the main menu of the application. First, we will do the interfaces of the application and then continue to the code. Now we will click on the local events and announcements button, which should lead us to the next form where it displays the local events and announcements in table form. In this window, this is where the user can search an event by name. They can search an event by category and date. You can also show their search history, a display of events that will happen in the municipality, a button to show high priority events, a button to reset the table, which is when a user searches a table and shows what they're searching for, then they can click on reset table to take it back here, and also a main menu button. First, we'll start by searching an event by name. We will search for Jazz Night. And then click on search. It should give us a message box saying that event found, Jazz Night with the date, which is here. And then we can continue to search event by category and date. We can select the date. Let's just say 30th of October. And we can choose a category food and click on search. It will show the event that will happen on that day. Or we can click on sport on that date, and it will show another event happening on that day. And then you can also click on search history, where it will show the previous searchings of the user, the search history of the user. And then you can click on reset table, where it will display the whole table again. And the user can also click on high priority events, where it will show events of high priority, which is a coding bootcamp. All these are high priority events. And now we will go to Visual Studio to check the code. Right now, this list is a sorted direct dictionary to store events based on their date. The stack list, is to keep track of users' search history as shown on the app, to show their previous history. And this list is a queue list for event notifications, ensuring that events are notified in order they were added. The next list is the sorted list, where is to store events based on their priority level. The next list is this is a hash table where it stores events based on their name for quick search access. Uh, in this method, events load. When the form loads, the local event form load, it will call the method load events to load sample events into the system, which is sample data used to display when the user opens the form. On display all events, this is where it displays all the events. This method loads the event data when the form loads. This method loads sample events into the system, and then this method shows all events in a in the data grid view, which will be this. Right. This function, the add event to hash table, adds an event to the hash table. This method adds a new event to a query to notify users of what's coming, of the events that are up and coming. This method adds events to the priority queue, where each event is assigned a priority value for importance. This getPriority method returns the priority value for each event based on its category. As you can see, each category has different priorities. The lower the number, the higher the priority. And this method processes and displays high priority events in order of their importance. As you can see in this interface here, this button shows the events of high priority. Next method would be add event, which adds an event to multiple data structures such as sorted dictionary, hash table, notification add queue, and priority queue. As you can see, uh, this if statement adds an event to the sorted dictionary based on its date. And here we have the sample data where for demonstration, as you saw previously in the interface, when the user opens this form, the data grid view is populated with this sample data. And here, this method displays all events in a data grid view by pulling from the sorted dictionary. And next will be the search events, where events are searched based on their category and date and displays the results in data grid view. As we have seen, when we click on the search, it will show that. And on this saved search history, it saves the user's search query into the stack list to track the search history. And here, this method, search event by name, it searches for an event by its name using the hash table. This method, the button search, one click, it's triggered when the user clicks the search button, searches based on the category and date. And in this method, it calls the save search history, where it saves the search query in the stack, and then search events performs the actual event search. And in the show search history, it shows the last search query from the stack when the user clicks on the show history button. And next will be the button method, the button priority click, where is used to call the function to show high priority events. And also this button where it will call the search button, searching the event by name.